Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome to our brand new way of doing things. So we're going to give this a try. I've got this little video here to show you what exactly the expectations are and where you can find everything, just in case you're not super comfortable with Blackboard. So to start, we're going to go to Clinical Class of 2020. That would be you guys. If you click on that, it will take you to that specific course. I have a group here. It's called Mrs. Ernst Saturday Clinical Group. So click that one to get to our section. And then you will see I have all the weeks laid out for you here. So the dates of each of the weeks are already posted for you to see. Please note that on Easter week we will meet on the 9th and not on Saturday, and that's to help you guys maintain the break that was already set up for you for Easter. So again, make sure that you are scheduling yourself on the 9th of that week and not on the Saturday. So our week 1 is from 3/22, so that's today, to 3/28. If you click on that, you'll see week 1 instructions and rubric. Okay, so this is your sample rubric here. Let me see if I can get that better into your view. So you're going to reflect on a prior patient and write a case study. You guys have written case studies and you've done plenty of case studies in class. This is very similar to those. It's a progressive style case study. So if I do something now, what happens to the patient next? And then what would I anticipate the next need to be after that? You should be able to remember some details about this patient, so try to pick somebody that you've maybe had in the last 8 weeks. Doesn't have to be, but it's somebody you should have some details on. If you're unable to remember things like lab values or medications, that's okay. Just make it up according to whatever kind of comorbidity that patient was likely to have. You're going to submit a detailed copy of an unfolding case study and then use the nursing process to care for this patient. So that study should include at least 6 interventions and what each one of those interventions is or does for the patient. Okay, complete that case study yourself, so fill it out, give me the answers, okay? And then submit a blank copy on Blackboard, and I will have a place within that module for you to submit both items, and it will very clearly say which one should be the blank one and which one should be the filled out one. We will trade case studies on Thursday via the discussion board, and I'll show you that here in a second. Once you've gotten that other student's blank case study, you're going to fill that one out completely, and then be prepared to discuss your responses at our Zoom meeting. So our first Zoom meeting is going to be from 3 to 5 p.m. on Saturday, March 28th via Zoom. I will post the link on here and I will also email it to you, but make sure that you show up for that. In order to pass, this is still a pass-fail class, so there aren't going to be actual grades, but in order to pass, these are the items that you need to do, all of the same things that are written up here, and this is when they're due by. I need that case study, the blank one at least, done by you on Wednesday. And on Wednesday night, I will assign it so that you can start working on it on Thursday to fill out your classmates' copy. Okay, so I will post feedback here. Pass fail, you'll get this back at the end of each week so that we know we're on track and you know where you are in your clinical process. Now, once we I have too many windows open here. Once we get past this point, when you are ready to submit or ready to start filling out your classmates' case study, then you're going to go to discussion. So discussion is over here on the left. Okay, and you can see I've already created Mrs. Ernst Saturday group here. So in this group, what you will find is your name. So you can see here, Dina, please complete this case study. I will have posted your colleague's case study here for you to do. So you click this link. And this will bring up the Word document here for you to complete. Okay, once you've saved it, you'll go back to your regular Saturday group and turn it in that way, or you can turn it in just by replying to this comment. Okay, if you have any questions at all, let me know. This is going to be a little bit of a different beast. Keep your eyes on your emails. Again, every week on Sunday, the new module will open up. I know next week we've got a 6-hour video course for you to complete, so make sure that you're keeping track of your due dates. If you have any questions at all, let me know. I'm happy to help. Send me an email or shoot me a text message, and stay safe and stay home.